Hello everyone, and welcome to my review of the Proton Pure Air Purifier. If you're looking for a high-quality air purifier that can help eliminate indoor air pollutants and improve the air quality in your home or office, then the Proton Pure is definitely worth considering. One of the things that sets the Proton Pure apart from other air purifiers is its triple filtration technology. It uses a three-stage purification process that effectively removes up to 99.7% of indoor air pollutants from rooms up to 350 square feet. This is perfect for small to medium-sized rooms, such as bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices. Let's take a closer look at the three-step technology of the Proton Pure. The first layer of protection is the mechanical filter, which catches larger particles and extends the life of the true HEPA and carbon filters inside. The true high-efficiency particulate air, true HEPA, filter is the second layer, which effectively pulls 99.7% of all microscopic particles, as small as 0.3 microns in size from the air, including dust, pollen, and dander. And the third layer is the carbon filter, which targets chlorine, volatile organic compounds, VOCs, smoke, some forms of alcohol, and unwanted odors inside the home. What I love about the Proton Pure is that it was designed in the USA, developed with the highest standards and compliance with air cleaning regulations. Plus, it's easy to use and maintain. And if you're not thrilled about how the Proton Pure freshens your air, simply send an email within 90 days for a satisfaction guarantee. In conclusion, the Proton Pure Air Purifier is a great investment for anyone who wants to breathe cleaner, fresher air in their home or office. And if you purchase it using the link in the description below, you'll get a special discount on your order. So what are you waiting for? Give the Proton Pure a try and see the difference it can make in your indoor air quality. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.